Want to make a lasting impression in the business world? It's not just about what you say, how you present yourself speaks volumes. In today's video, we are diving into 3 essential business etiquette tips that will elevate your professional presence and help you navigate any corporate setting with ease. Hello and welcome back to A Dose of Graciousness and Civility. I'm Jules Hirst, etiquette expert and your guide to navigating the fascinating world of modern etiquette. First up, your emails. Emails are often your first line of communication in business. How you craft them can make all the difference in the world. A poorly written email can come across as careless, while a well-crafted email shows that you are organized, detail-oriented, and you respect the other person's time. Remember to always start with a clear subject line that indicates the purpose of the email. Address the recipient properly and get to the point quickly but politely. Use proper grammar, avoid slang, and always proofread before hitting send. By maintaining professional etiquette, you are seen as reliable and competent. Now that we've covered the importance of emails, let's shift gears to something that's just as important but is generally overlooked. What you wear in the workplace can significantly impact how others perceive you. Dressing appropriately shows respect for the company culture and helps establish your credibility. Not sure what to wear to an event or a job interview? For an event, research the organization or look to their website, social media, at previous year's events to get an idea of what the guests wore. For a job interview, research the company's dress code before an interview or your first day. And when in doubt, it's better to be slightly overdressed than underdressed. Pay attention to details. Make sure your clothes are clean, pressed, and well fitted. Remember, perception is reality. With your email game strong and your wardrobe on point, there is one more critical point to cover. Active listening is a cornerstone of effective communication. In meetings, it's not just about being present, but fully engaging with what's being said. This shows respect for your colleagues' input and allows you to contribute meaningfully. Put away distractions, no phones or laptops unless necessary. Maintain eye contact, nod when appropriate, and ask appropriate questions. Take notes if necessary, but remember to also stay engaged in the conversation. Ready to take your business etiquette to the next level? Make sure to subscribe for more tips on how to navigate the corporate world with confidence and grace. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a colleague who could use these tips. And remember, it's the little things that make a big difference in your professional life. Thanks for watching, and until our next etiquette adventure, stay gracious and grateful. If you would like to download our guide, 10 Things to Remember at the Dinner Table, the link is in the description below.